What's up, Beam Team? So it's me checking in with you guys. So in the process of what's been going on, we're still gonna do some mods with this. The mod I'm gonna do today is just a small little add-on, just to make the look of the car a little cooler. It could be, if I were to get the new car, I could easily just pop it right off and put it onto the new car. But today, we're gonna be installing floating center caps. It's something I've been meaning to do. As you guys know, these caps, stand still, don't do nothing. But Thick F30 put me on to these. I saw it on one of the videos he posted for his the M2, and he got these on Amazon. As you guys see, they spin. So we're gonna put that on today. We'll get right into it. Using this pick tool and this rag to make sure I don't scratch the rim. As you guys can see, they're all. I want to show you guys these taillights that I got. These taillights will also, like I said, if I put them on this, I'll take them off if I get the M3. So either way, it wouldn't make a difference. The new buyer of this car definitely wouldn't get them if I put them on. But here they are, the black line taillights. They'll go with the car and all that. So definitely not putting them on now, but the video is about these. So let's go ahead and pop them in. The packaging is so nice. I've never seen like floating caps up close before, so they got these little weights behind. Oh, it's pretty cool. So take one out of here. Take one and bam. That easy. Look at that. That easy, guys. Let's go ahead and put them all to the other ones. Floating spinner caps on all the rims. Just a quick little mod. Made a quick difference. There's Kirby over there. He's got a nice Audi green wrap. I'll show it to you guys one of these videos, but this is the focal point here. These center caps, I thought they were pretty cool. I always wanted to do this mod, but I just never really took the time to get it. But here we go, guys. Floating center cap. A quick video for you guys. It's something for you guys to see. Just maybe some live mod you guys can do to your car. I'll put the link in the description on where I got this from. I got it on Amazon, $80. $80 mod. It's something a little cool. Just attention to detail, as Thick Whips now says now. Just attention to detail. It just does so much for the cars. So, and when needed, I'll just pop them off, put them onto the new car. So that's it for this video, guys. Beam Team, we out.